Are you currently training for your pilot's license? Or maybe you're thinking about doing it? Well, here is my #1 tip for training how to fly while at home. My name is Jess and I'm currently training for my recreational pilot's license with Orange Flight Training in Orange, New South Wales, Australia. Learning to fly can seem very overwhelming at first. I remember with the first couple of flights with my instructor, I was amazed at how quickly everything happened, how fast the radio calls seemed, and the precision and control that my instructor had with every movement and decision. It felt way out of the realm of possibility that I too could think, speak, and fly just like him. But it hasn't even been 6 months of flying and already I can see the improvements and that it's totally achievable. So here it is, the #1 thing that has helped me gain confidence and precision in my flying: chair flying. Ideally, flying every day would be amazing. Actually sitting in the plane, getting a feel for the aircraft and the environment would be the best way, but let's be realistic. It's extremely expensive, extremely time-consuming, and it's just not necessary. Chair flying is a way of taking control of the environment, time, and errors without placing yourself at risk and costing yourself a lot of money. Your environment is neutral. There is no wind or traffic that's going to influence your flying. This is particularly helpful at the very beginning, as you're getting your head around checklists, work cycles, and positions of instruments on the dashboard. Time. Chair flying allows you to slow it down. Take your time going through the run-up checks, safety briefs, taxiing checks, radio calls, circuits. You can even pause, double check you haven't missed something, and then continue on. Once you get familiar with it, why not speed it up and try it in real time? And errors. Once you've flown your circuits or straight and level, you can look back. What did I miss? What errors may have occurred that you need to take note of and make sure you don't miss it when you're up in the air? Let's be real, you might feel weird doing it, or even a little bit embarrassed, but don't be. Even the pros do it. Whether it's elite athletes, special forces, or the Blue Angels, it's a well-used tool for enhancing performance. It's going to make you an awesome pilot, and you might even impress your instructor on your next flight. Here's an example of how I chair fly. Turning onto final, checking on center line. We're checking height within range of 3.7. Speed is 70 knots, flaps are 20, carb heat is in, and I'm trimming. I'm going to do my radio call, Orange Traffic Bristol 8735 on final for runway 11 full stop Orange. Aim point for the numbers aspect of runway is normal and airspeed 70 knots. As I come further down, I'm going to do my administrate, which is CPAF. So carb heat is in, pitch is good, undercarriage is fixed, and flaps are at 20. Runway is clear and we are ready to land. So grab yourself a cockpit layout and a chair, strap on your kneeboard, and let's go flying.